freedom to express of what we want to achieve in life. And as we celebrate Pride Month, I think this is a very important reminder for us that we are also part of the society, because Pride Month, the celebration of Pride Month, it is one way for us to celebrate equality regardless of our gender identities, that we are part of the society, that we are seen, and we deserve to be heard, we deserve to be loved, and we deserve to be respected. Because we already proven that we are more than being gays, we are more than, just like Miss Congresswoman Geraldine Roman, the first transgender congresswoman to be elected, and she's part of the House of Representatives. There are also some of us who are doctors, professionals, teachers, government employees, that this achievement that is a testament that we are more than what other people think about us. And it should also be a reminder and a lesson to our fellow LGBTQA+ community that it is our shared responsibility to uplift one another and to give voice to those who are voiceless and to those people who feel that they are not being heard. Let us be the voice of the change.
Every communities can work together to promote acceptance and inclusion for everyone by arranging a program in every community or municipality, so that the people will understand, or the people will know how to accept the gender of one person, because every one of us has the right to be accepted. Every LGBTQIA has the right, or may karapatan sila para ibahagi din yung kanilang genders. Kasi may mga taong nanghuhusga, may mga professionals na kahit alam naman nila on how to accept the person, is may mga nasasabi pa rin sila sa isang tao kahit wala naman itong ginagawang masama.
The importance of friendship and acceptance is important.
What qualities makes a good ally for the LGBTQIA+ community? They are loving and they are willing to fight. Just like how it conforms to the love for Laban, a celebration that was created by the Pride Philippines. In this love, it is bounded by care, understanding, and respect. These allies need to understand where we are coming from as members of the LGBT community. What are our problems? What needs to be given a solution in order for them to respect us as a community. And together with our allies, we are utilizing this mutual understanding to fight for the causes that we are passionate for. And this is importantly the equality that we are fighting, not just us LGBT community, but every sectors in our community. Because if we respect each other, we understand each other, and therefore we can achieve equality. We will erase discrimination and turn it into acceptance. We will erase oppression and turn it into understanding. Let us come together, join us, our allies, as we strive to create a community wherein everyone is loved, everyone is cared, and no one is left behind. Because at the end of the day, it is through our collaborative efforts that we can achieve the greatest things that we are envisioning for our society. After all, we are all members of the community. We deserve to be respected. We deserve to be fought for. Because just like what we see in our program, Salus Populi est Suprema Lex. The welfare of the people is the supreme law. Then let us come together and work towards the welfare of every member of our community. You may be an LGBT or not.
Dahil tayo ay may iba't ibang kasarian at tayo ay may iba't ibang pinagalingan. Kaya dapat natin itong i-celebrate dahil ito ay importante sa atin. Katulad na lang ng birthday natin, bakit natin ito sineselebrate? Dahil ito ang araw ng pagkapangalan lang ng mga fiestas and so on. And then, about the gender, sa ating gender, bakit nga ba natin ito sineselebrate? So, bakit nga ba? Dahil ito ako, ganito ako. Ito kakahiyak, ito ang ibinigay sa akin, di ba? Binigay nila sa inyo, bakit may kaya yun? At bakit natin hindi celebrate? Dapat i-celebrate natin ito dahil ito ang importante sa ating buhay.
Should help us grow and navigate through a more unique path that can lead to a better place. And I wish to guide people that are struggling to find their unique path as well. That as human beings, we are also a human being. They are need to be expected that way also.
You have to have your own self-confidence, right? Palakpakan ka ng mag-EOB. Yes! Not everybody can do that. Dapat sama na nagsao. Diba? Kasi not everybody can do that. Na kayo si Mao, kayo ito ay nagsao kayo. Express. Tiruan mo na ako dito. Tiruan mo be. How will you express yourselves? No kasan nyo yung ipakita at ibag-iyo. No kasan nyo yung inaako. Kung nakasan nyo yung konbinsado ni Madam. Na the LGBTQIA ka-welcome. The identity purpose na. Anyways, thank you everyone. Once again, another clap for the wonderful event.